Hello guys, it's me, main helper, and today I'm gonna show you how to use ChromaKey in CapCut. Okay, add your video and end video with ChromaKey. I use like this with green screen. Oh fuck. I want to add overlay, add this video. Okay. Find, remove BG and ChromaKey. In ChromaKey, we need to find color picker. If you have a green ChromaKey, find green. If white, find white. And looks, if we find white, our white is removed in our video. We can make like this or like this, but I use green and I wanna delete green. Okay, I choose green color picker. We can make more intensity, but don't do it so big, because it's look like this, looking like icon. Okay, 40, 30 between. Okay, shadow can make more, but also 13 and or 30 between what you want. Okay, click on apply and watch this. Okay guys, in this video we can learn how to use ChromaKey in CapCut. Thank you for the watch, have a nice day.